other bedroom for kids, for guests. It's a simple one. It's a boys' room, so it's a simple room. That is the wardrobe. Yeah. So this is the washroom. There is a clock room. Then let's check the girls' room on the other side. That is a washroom. Girls' theme. I like the color. They have played very well with the colors. Look at that, guys. Look at the lights. Look at that. One thing I like about these houses, let me repeat that, the wall paintings. It's there's a lot of natural light. Look at that. Look at that. Then there's the mirror. Now you can see me. Then there's a small table there. So guys, welcome to the master bedroom. Look at that, guys. This is nice. They've used that's gray, yeah, just as a relaxing place. Look at that. There's a lot of natural light. Let me show you. You see the light? The light, it's there, no darkness. Then that's the, what is it? That's the wardrobe. There's a mirror there. Then let me show you something, guys. This is something where you'll be using it for changing the theme of the color of the lights in the house. So if you want purple, if you want red, if you want, that is the thing you're going to use. Look at that wall painting. Let me show you the clock room. That is the clock room. Yay, look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh my, this is beautiful. So this is 3-bedroom house, and it has a bed sitter on the side, the one I've shown you. I hope you like it, guys. So guys, let's check on the 1-bedroom house. Look at the paintings. It's a big space. It has a big space. Then they have this American type of kitchen. It's an open kitchen, so when you are cooking, you can still talk to your guests. Then there's a cooker here. There's a cooker there. That's the sink. Some plants over there. Then that is the balcony. Let me go there. One thing I love about this house, it's there's a lot of natural light, so there's no darkness in the house. So this is the size of the balcony. That is the size of the balcony. This is 1 bedroom. So let's check. This is a bedroom. That is the size of the bedroom. That is the size of the wardrobe. Look at that. Just look at that. Natural light. There's nothing like darkness in this house. So this is the washroom. Wow, okay. So let's do it again. This is the shower area. You just push the door, then you can see the shower there. And the washroom, it's a spacious one. That is a 1 bedroom for you guys.